Hi guys, and welcome back to Hungry Forever Bangalore. I'm Christina, and today we're here at Go Native, an absolutely amazing space that encourages consumers to consume mindfully. They've also got an amazing restaurant along with a boutique, and we're here to check out the new menu along with some amazing wine cocktails and pairings. So let's go ahead and check it out.
Hi, I'm Anvita and I'm the founder of Go Native, a conscious living brand that was started in Jayanagar 2.5 years ago. We have a retail store and a restaurant, and the idea is to enable conscious consumption. With the retail store, we have a range of products from food products and personal care products to apparel, home decor and accessories. And all of them are sourced directly from artisan clusters and from within the country. We want to encourage local consumption. It's a farm-to-table restaurant. All our vegetables and fruits are sourced from Back to Basics, a farm in Whitefield, and all our grains, pulses, spices, everything is sourced packaging-free from different farming clusters across Karnataka. Our new wine menu, where we're only using wines from within India, and we're also doing interesting cocktails with the wines, using the same idea of Go Native, of using local ingredients and kind of creating interesting cocktails. And we would love for you to come down and try at both HSR and soon at Livell Road. Thank you so much.
So we just had an absolutely amazing experience at Go Native. We love their thoughtful consumption approach, and that's definitely something we're going to take on board and implement in our own lives as well. We also really enjoyed that they smashed the misconception that Indian food doesn't pair well with wines, because we absolutely enjoyed the combination of the Chenin Blanc with the Misal Pav, as well as the Cabernet Shiraz with the jackfruit biryani, and we're going to come back and try it again for sure. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, as well as follow us on social media. And as always, stay hungry.